Okay, so here we have 5 batches of bristlenose, 1 from yesterday and 4 from this morning. You see the rafts or clutches in there. They've come out in quite large pieces. Don't know how many are fertile. I think the majority of them are, but we'll wait and see. We're actually expecting some more, so we might end up with some more rafts or clutches in there. And so we'll follow these through for the next 2 weeks to see how they go in the fry factory. I'm not expecting any problems. We should end up with hundreds of young bristlenose in about 2 weeks, so long as they're all fertile. So we'll just wait until the machine shuffles them, and we'll have a look at them again tomorrow. There we go, that's all it needs to do to aerate them. Just lift them up and down, and away we go.